I was just about to do some forearm and hand work, so I thought this would be a good little video to demonstrate what can happen when we've got carpal tunnel syndrome and the nerves are being impinged by all the wrist bones. So I'm going to make sure the shoulder's in place to start with. Hold up for me, hold, and hold on pushing towards your head, hold on pulling out to the side, yeah, perfect, and hold. So that's all working really well. Hold your thumb and pinky together nice and strong, just say, relax. Hold together nice and strong, and that's unlocking, so she can't hold it together. Turn it around and hold, and that's unlocking. So there's been a couple of dropsy moments this week where she's dropped a few things, which is pretty unusual. So what ends up happening is that the radius and ulna start moving position so that they're not quite sitting correctly, and that means the nerve supply down through the wrists and into the fingers doesn't work properly. So quite often the brachioradialis is really jammed, so I often give that a bit of a roll as well. So what that's doing is working over the spindle cells, and the spindle cells control the length and strength of the muscles, and they're quite tender. Just relax. So now I'm going to roll across the wrist, loosen the fingers, and then give it a bit of a stretch back that way. So I'm lifting up on both sides, stretching and lifting. So we're just sort of loosening up those little bones in the wrist. Now now I'm going to move the bones this way. So it's a movement that's making the bones shift into position. So let's see if that's helped. Hold together nice and strong. That's better. Hold together nice and strong. So that's just a quick little way of manipulating the muscles, the bones, the wrists, and therefore getting better nerve supply into the hands. Thank you.